In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to open the option open to work on LinkedIn. So let's get started. So this is an option which can let other businesses and people know that you're looking for a job and that they can hire you. So I'm going to tell you guys on how to open this option, and it's going to make your hiring process so easier. So let's get started. So first of all, you're going to click on your profile and go over to view profile. Here you'll see an option open to. So you're just going to click on it. Then three options will pop up. If you're finding a new job, then you'll have to click on that option. But if you're looking to hire someone, then you can click on this one. But in my case, I want to open to work so that I'm trying to find a new job. So I'm going to click on the first option, and they're going to be list of options, information that they're going to ask you. So first of all, tell us what kind of job you're open to. What are you working for? So in my case, it's video editing or video editor. So I'm just going to select it. Then you're gonna give your workplace. Are you gonna do remote or online, or are you gonna do on-site? In my case, it's just remote, so I'm just gonna choose remote and unselect the other options. And then my job location, and then the start date. I'm gonna immediately start working, so I'm just gonna click on that option. And then the job type. Are you gonna work full-time or part-time? In my case, I'm gonna work part-time, so I'm just gonna click on that option. And then you'll have to click on this arrow and then click this option right here so that all the peoples can see this option open to work. So I'm going to click on that option, and then this badge will appear on my profile, which will let everyone know that I'm open to work. Now I'm going to click add to profile, and now as you guys can see, this badge is successfully showing up on my profile, and whenever someone else view it, they can see this option open to work. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you next time. Peace out.